Hey Destin, what are you doing? Yeah. What's in there, Dylan? Is there anything in there?
What's that on there, Destin?
Yes. Where you going? Are you ready for your pool, Dylan?
Yes.
Oh. Look up there.
Dylan, you gonna give Figaro a ride?
It's a plane. Oh, it's a plane. Can you hear it? This guy said to get you to look. A plane. Can you say plane? Plane. Plane.
Well, Dylan, Auntie's got the pool half ready. You ready to go get the hose?
A plane. What's this? What's this, your belly? Is this your belly?
His bath is here.
Oh.
Go get the hose, guys. Go goes bath.
Is this your belly?
Who's that? Call Figaro and tell him that his bath is almost ready.
His bath?
Oh, you're gonna give Figaro a bath. I'd like to see that.
Yeah, well, let's get him one. I'm
Hey,
gonna go
there's
get the
Nick.
hose.
Alright. It's probably on.
Go get it. Hey,
Dylan, can you kick the ball?
I'll hit the camera again.
No, don't hit the camera.
I hit the
Here, Destin, catch.
Take this. You get the hose.
Ball? Can you throw it? Oh, you can put it in the window. Can you get it? Need some help? Woo, Dylan with the hose. Be careful, it's really cold. Isn't that just silly? Isn't your brother silly? See water in the tree, Dylan? What is it, Destin? Oh, yeah? It's the house. Or are you looking at the clouds or something? What you looking at?
Hey, Dylan. Fill her up. Hey, that's on the hill, see?
Yeah, I want to scoot down a little bit. Hey, Destin, can you scoot the pool down? Move the pool down. Destin, why don't you go show them how to do it? Go show them how to use the pool. Are you ready? You are?
Dylan, put back in here. Hey!
Dylan, let him do it for a little bit. He's doing a pretty good job. Dylan, let him play.
Don't get me wet.
Yay for Dylan and Destin.
You got wet. Hey, you got me wet.
Dylan, put in the pool. Hello, rat.
Oh look, I ringed him.
This is the way over there.
Are you being safe, Destin? Come on down here, Destin. Oh, this is Figueroa's bath and it's ready, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting excited. Oh! Usually his feet fall in front of him, which is weird.
I'm trying to do it.
Whee! Come on, you run under it.
Give it to me! Give me the hose!
You can play baseball, Dylan? You can get the ball wet? Oh, it's wet now. Destin's playing t-ball, Dylan.
Hey, Destin.
What are you doing, making mud, Dylan?
Yeah.
You're making some mud.
Hit it. Destin. Let's see the ball. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it, Destin. Yay!
Hey, Dylan, you want to make your own movie? You want to make a movie?
Dylan. Destin.
Yeah.
Hit it.
Come here.
Hit the ball. Yay!
I want to get the rocks wet.
Okay, well, she's get the rocks all wet. Come on over here.
Somebody do it.
I think that's as far as the hose will go. Oh, Destin found him a stick he's gonna play with. So you did make mud. You got a pretty good mud puddle. You think that's funny, huh, Destin? So what are you, the hose master? Can you spray it up in the air, Dylan? Woo!
Here, Destin. You want to just figure it out? I'd forgotten about?
What?
Sweat bees. And they're all over.
Oh,
It's on his head.
oh, he's got some?
Yeah, so one of them just bit me and I just saw one on him. Ow, that hurt.
If you don't have mosquitoes all over.
equipment stinks.
Go get Figgle and tell him his bath is ready.
Alright, come here, Dylan. Why don't you make a movie for a little while? No?
No.
Okay.
Let me get Figgle.
He's so excited about it.
Don't give me.
Oh no! Oh no, Destiny's gonna get us wet.
I think you're getting yourself wet or you're getting me.
What's that on the side of your head, Dylan? Is that where somebody kissed you with lipstick?
Hey!
You're having enough fun all by yourself, aren't you? Yeah. It's alright. Charlie Pop says holes everywhere. Hey Dylan, he might slip. He might slip on that wet concrete over there. Put the hose down here. Yeah, we don't want him to do that. Oh, he's going inside. Where you at, bud? Oh, you found Figure Out. Oh, no, I know why Figure was in here. Figure knows it's bath time. Can you jump out, Figaro? Dylan, your cat's in here.
Where?
It's in here.
Can I give him a bath?
Well, you can try.
Figaro, you're gonna have you today.
Be careful, don't let him scratch you all up.
I'm gonna get
Good luck. Do I need to get some soap?
you.
Yeah, it's a hose, Destin.
There you go.
Hey, Destin, spray your brother.
There you go.
Destin, spray your brother.
Give Willie a bath. Come on, give Willie a bath. Give Willie a bath.
Yeah. Hey, bud.
Put him in the pool. Like you were doing Figgy.
He's too heavy, huh? Pretty big guy. Oh, you got dirt? Grass? Why don't you give yourself a bath, Dylan? Why don't you go jump in?
Okay.
Okay, go jump in. Whoop. Get in, Destin. There he goes. Spray him, Destin. Hey, buddy, what happened? Hey, you want to go in that big round thing? You gonna play house? There he is, climbing on the walls. Are you being the chimney sticking out of the roof?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm higher.
Yeah, you are.
I better get down.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Daddy, you're not going to make a movie until the police says yes.
Until when?
What?
I didn't hear you. I'm not going to do what? Make a movie until when?
Until the police says yes.
Until the police said yes. My word. Where'd that come from?
What'd you say?
Nothing.
I want to be a monkey.
You are a monkey.
You're not coming in, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
Well, is that like your little hideout?
How about that? You're cheap. Your cheese.
You're cheese.
Your cheese face. Here you go. Oh, got you some pound hay.
You're crazy.
And you won't let go of this. The pound hay.
Can you come up here?
No.
You come up here, Dylan?
No.
No. I see you.
I'm right here. Come and get me. Right here. Come and get me.
Here I come. Here I come.
No. You're not gonna come. You're not coming in.
Oh, yeah. Here I come.
You're not coming.
I'm in.
You didn't come in.
Yeah.
No.
I can't stand up, you might say, but
Simon, cheese man. You're cheese. Hey, let me out.
I'm already up here. I beat you.
I have to get up here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna slide.
All right.
All right, cheese face.
Okay, go ahead and slide.
No, not until you slide down there.
I'll slide down right after you.
No. You slide down there all by yourself, and I'll come down, okay? Cheese face.
What?
You're
Sit down.
cheese.
Sit down.
Escape.
Okay, take off.
Can't catch me.
There he goes. How come you're not sliding? Boy, it's not a very slidey slide, is it? Are you coming? Come here. Get on. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's like a bump in it. Hey, Dylan. Can you push it? Or you want me to push it?
I should.
You ready? Are you holding on? Oh. You okay?
Yeah, back on the boat.
Let you back on the boat. Hurry. Okay, hold on.
Get going. Get going, man.
Turn around. Turn around. Sit in the middle and turn around. Turn around. Look at me. I don't want to see the back of your head, buddy.
Okay. Okay, cheese face.
All right.
You're a cheese face.
What? Did you get that from that pizza song we were listening to?
For your pizza and the spice, I'm gonna order
Pizza.
pizza around and everywhere. You can eat it at the park. You can eat it at the park.
Ooh, Dylan, I'm gonna fall off now.
Don't worry, Daddy. I caught you.
You're holding my hand. Ooh, you're saving me.
Ew.
Oh no, you're saving me.
Oh, let's stop it. Stop the boat.
Stop the boat.
Stop it. Stop it.
So what you been doing at Nana's?
Fine.
Having a good time?
Yeah, but stop the boat.
Did you get to go to church?
Children,
Hey, you want to go to church tomorrow?
we're not going.
No. It was fun, wasn't it?
No.
It
It
wasn't?
wasn't fun. It was bad.
Why are you saying that?
'Cause that's my favorite.
Oh, don't say that. Be nice. I bet we'd have a good time. What else do you want to do tomorrow?
I'm getting off the boat.
You're getting off the boat. Okay.
Yeah.
Take off. Hey, let me stop it first. Now where are you going?
We're going somewhere else. We're going in that cage and see how we're doing in there.
Okay.
Under
Alright, I'll be there in a second.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Come on into that hole.
Which hole?
That one.
Alright, here I come.
What's
What
this
rocks you want to look at?
What?
You said you wanted to look at rocks.
Oh, look for one of these rocks.
Is this it?
Nope.
What?
There's one, there's one, there's one.
Which one?
It's right here. There's one. There's one. There's one like it. Yeah, that's it. That's it, Daddy.
Better save it. If you found another one, it might be hard to find another one in here.
Here's some more.
Mm-hmm.
We found some. Here's another one. Here's another one. Some.
Look at that one. Kind of looks like a moon. Half moon.
Here's one. Oh. Here's some.
Mm-hmm. There's a whole bunch of them.
All of it around here. I like rocks.
Yeah, I do too.
I like them too. I don't like them when we go swimming.
There's a pink one.
Wait, let me see it. Let me see it. Wow, you're right, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. It's nice out here, isn't it, Dylan?
Take this one to the pound and tell him that we found these rocks on to 35-second hours.
My goodness.
I'll take blue and orange, mate.
Blue and orange?
Yeah, let's go out there.
Okay.
Blue and
So we taking off?
What?
So what are we doing now?
We're going to swing. Come on. The police says yes, that we can come out. We're coming on.
Okay. Ooh, can't see ya.
Now you can see me.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Daddy. We're getting out.
You're breaking out of this joint. Show me how you get out. Can you climb up? Can you climb up to the top from here?
Through that hole.
Hey, you did it a lot easier than I could do it.
Well, come on, Daddy.
Here, you want to make a movie?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's going, I think. What you filming?
I'm filming some that
Film what's
Asian
on the
people.
tree? Where you going?
I'm going to swing.
Come here, Dylan.
Daddy,
What?
come over here and pretend like your forest. Pretend like your forest. What?
Hold it up higher so you can see. Hello.
You can't. You can go. You can come. Daddy, we're going to swing.
I'm gonna go to swing.
Hey, Daddy! Wait.
Wait, hold on to it.
I'm
Okay, you
opening.
gonna film me now?
Hey, Daddy! Daddy! Where's my tree? I gotta do my own swing. If I can swing higher,
Whoop, don't fall.
you give me to swing higher. Okay?
Okay, go ahead. I'll push you.
I'm swinging.
Yeah. Come here, swing and I'll push your feet. You mean to put you on there?
Yeah. No?
Hey, that's a neat trick.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy, pull me. Daddy, pull me.
Okay. We can go. You want to push you like that? Okay, turn the other way. We gonna do it standing up?
No. I'm gonna sit down.
Okay. Let's go. Oh boy, your feet are all black. Right there. Is that pretty good?
Now we can go.
Woo! Say hi to Destin and your mom.
Hi, Destin.
Ooh, it's hot now. I like moving around. Hey, that's pretty neat. Can you do that again? Do it again.
Kick-toe, kick-toe, kick-toe.
Nah. Nah.
What's wrong?
Nah.
What's wrong?
Nah. Can you kick my hand?
No.
Thank you.
I really know that you're very special man.
Why, thank you.
I don't
You're a
really
very
think
special
you
boy.
are.
You're great.
I don't think you are that. You're but you're different.
What are you talking about?
But you're very, very different.
I know it. It's good though, isn't it?
What?
You don't want to be the same as everybody else.
No, will you stop this, please?
Hey, you want to swing together and then we can jump off? Show your mom how we jump off?
No.
You don't want to swing with me? I'm going to swing.
Daddy says,
Get on the outside.
Daddy says, take it. No.
It's cooler when you're swinging.
Lay down like I do.
Oh, look at the tree.
Yeah.
Remember that one time me and you were doing this and you fell off? The swing broke? That would be funny.
Yeah, that would be funny.
Woo! Ow, something bit me.
What?
Oh, look. Bug.
Woo!
You see the rock?
Yeah.
Woo! That's straighten up.
Yeah.
You ready to jump? One.
No.
Woo!
Get it.
Let go. Let go.
Hey,
Hey!
do you want to swing some more? You want to swing some more?
Okay. Hey, where you going now? Uh-oh, tape's almost up. Say bye.
Bye. I hope this slime works.
I hope it does too. Whee! Hey, that worked better than the other one, didn't it?
Yeah, let's go swing on the other one, see if it works.
It worked. It didn't work when I was on it.
What?
Said it didn't work when I was on it.